had a kitchen designer around the other day. It was a friend of mine, and she sent me photos of what the kitchen looked like on a wide angle. Oh my goodness. I said to her, I'm going to have to clear up. But after looking at it, I think not. How are you doing?
Oh, they've let you out the salon then?
I'm only here while I wait for some thighs to go on.
Yeah, I'm doing right actually. I'm trying to, I mean, I've got 2 pieces of timber in, but I'm trying to use as much as possible of the old floor.
By the way, love the hat.
Do you?
It's like a tea cozy.
Well, it's not orange. Yeah, so we've got loads of these from the floor, the oak. Why not use them?
That was my heating though.
Yeah, I know it was, but oh look. See, look, use all these oak timbers up. They don't. Can't go wrong.
That's not flush.
What do you mean that's not flush? Pretty damn good to me. There you go.
You know what I'll be inspecting.
Oh my word. Stand by your beds. There you go. So that's that one done. I'll put another one in there. We'll get a wall across, insulate it.
Do we need to get something across here because it is freezing over here?
Have you not seen what I've done?
Your curtain.
Yeah, I spent days on that. Look, I've been making curtains. Who says you can only make them?
Oh, it's Bethany's curtain.
It's helping, isn't it? It does help. I'll try and finish this, even if we put a temporary for the moment. Back to your salon! Leave me alone. Stalker.
Hurry up, get it finished because I want to go back to the floor.
Oh, I'll have it finished today.
This morning we've emptied the room in preparation for the puzzle that is the parquet floor. As you know, there's no plan. All we've got is numbers and letters. We have laid it out once, planed it all, treated it all, stacked it all up. Now we want to lay it out again before we plane the tops and take all the stickers out and lay it down with the glue. So once it's glued down, there's no going back.
And I lost my original plan, which I think worked. I think we got it to work, but I put it in a safe place. I deleted it. Oops. So what we're doing at the moment, if Cal can show all this, so I never took the nails out the outer board. So you can see these nails. And I'm going around, so for instance, an example, I thought this was here, nail goes there, slide along, nail goes in there, nail goes, they all pretty much line up. But you get an example, suddenly, ooh, there's no nail. So I'm sort of playing around. Once I get the starting position, I'm hoping the guys numbered these correctly. So then I ended up sliding it across a lot more than I realised to there. Nail lines up, and there.
Well, it doesn't line up there, the next one.
Yeah, and it doesn't line up there. Hang on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what we've got to do now, is keep playing till we find that. So that's our job today.
Excuse me, that's your job today.
Oh, okay.
Do you remember the day that I asked you if I could bash the wall down? Went out for lunch, came back, you'd done it. Burst my bubble.
Then you should have gone out for lunch.
You sent me out to get the cat feeder fed.
Oh, turn around. Someone wants to come in.
So, I'm going out for lunch. When I come back, I want this floor laid. No excuses.
Laid, sanded, glued, furniture. Shall I pop that in at the same time?
Just the puzzle laid out is quite satisfactory, thank you.
Happy with that, yeah? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right. In that case, Alonzi.
Getting on?
Yeah, actually, now I'm on a roll. Oh, I'll show you the problem. You know the one we had earlier? guy, I don't know, obviously can't count. 1, 2, I found another 2, 3. That's why we couldn't get those to line up, whereas now...
Yeah, there's often places where there's 2 numbers the same.
Here, I found this one.
2 7s.
No.
No?
They have funny ones. Sorry, they look like 7s in England, but they're 7s like I do. They put a line through their 7 line there. So we have 11, 10, 10, 9, 8. I think he was just having a bit of a joke.
I think he was on the vino.
Yeah, something like that. Très amusant. Yes. So I'm on a roll.
Oh, I wish all the problems were solved that easily.
Well, they haven't. Got the hardest bit to do yet.
I'll leave you to it.
And the corner piece.
I'll leave you to it.
Right, so we're getting there slowly. You're probably wondering why am I doing this. Main reason is to make sure that I can see everything does fit. It's really difficult. We got an idea of how it went when we laid it on the floor before we even started putting the new flooring in. But we couldn't be accurate. It was such a mess in here. Now I've got the boards down, I can lay everything really flat. And I'm glad I did. So as Carol showed earlier, maybe on the videos, it's not exactly numbered that well. We have no idea it goes, but I'm pretty sure that's correct going up that side of the wall by the hallway. I need to find the corner pieces, which are similar to what we're looking at there in that corner and in the other corner. Pretty certain I've seen a few nail holes that line up, so I'm pretty sure what they call X all the way along there. So I'll slowly work that. Then we have this pattern in the middle. And one thing I wasn't sure, and I couldn't really do it very well before, was before I did the flooring, was it has a pattern that stops. So let me just move this out of the way a second. So you see you have this block of diagonals and then it comes to an end and then it starts again. But I was never sure whether there was a timber straight piece all the way down the middle locking it together. So I'm going to put this and hope when I've got it all together that it fits perfectly between that corner and that corner, except for I've got to allow for a piece of timber going down there. So if I just grab one for the moment, there'll be something like that running down, holding those pieces of timber there, parquet there. And I'm hoping that when I fit the section in here and this one in here, they will butt together nicely. A lot of this I'm having to also do, where I had the giveaway earlier with the 2 number 2s and a few other ones, is I'm just looking for scratches on the parquet floor. So if I take an example, oh, there's one. So I wasn't quite sure how this hit, but I can see there's a scratch. Well, someone's obviously years ago has marked the flooring, and I'm so glad they did. So we need a few more of those, and that gives me a clue where it goes. It also gives me a clue. So if we start there, as you can see, it says X1. I haven't got all of them along there, but perhaps it goes up to X50 or so. I need to make sure that the spacing is correct. You know, if I start buttoning these up nice and tight, or not really tight, but you know, reasonably, I might get to the end and find I've got 20mm gap. So it just gives me an indication how tight I need to butt these. Do I need to, like when you're doing your tiling, just put a 1mm spacer in between each one? So what I've done, occasionally, I'll try and find some clues on the outside and say I'll take number 20, and then I can sort of work out that needs to line exactly there, and I know then what spacing to put between each parquet. Because the plan is that once I'm reasonably happy, I'm going to mark the backs, because I'd like to just give the face a skim. I was thinking about either sand in it, thickness in it, but I did show in an early video. Well, I run an old piece through the thicknesser, just taking off literally probably 1/2 mil, and come up really nice and clean. And then we can put the Osmo on top of that wax afterwards. So all the evidence will be removed, so I do need to do this now. I'll finish this bit here. Then I need to do the same principle for the inner down this way. It'll also let me know if we're missing bits as well, which bits we're missing.
So I've come back for lunch and the floor's not done. I think he's very happy. Not very happy, are you, darling?
No, I'm alright, I'm getting there. It doesn't help when they keep doing the same number twice. Oh, and, go on then, tell me what that says. Answers on a postcard.
This is what we're dealing with. I don't know.
Nor do I. But...
is that my fault because I sprayed it too well?
No, there's lots of them like that. Where we're lucky is where the tape's on there. They've obviously run a tape all along the wood before they took it out. So an example, I'm just going round. This is a jigsaw. And I think, look, that looks. So we'll write on that. That is H26. But yes, it is a case of a lot of that.
It's now 5 o'clock. We've been on this, or darling Adrian has been on this since 10 this morning.
Another example, just a boy one. B14, B15, B16, B17, B18, B16, B17.
Oh yeah, but there's a reason for that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you've got underlined ones this side, so they've underlined this side.
So why didn't they do this
not.
side? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Let's just not go there.
So yeah, that's why it's becoming...
So it's Friday night, we're not going to the bar tonight. We are going to be stuck here for quite a few hours, aren't we?
We never go to the bar. We work. Yeah.
A few more hours work.
I think we have to finish this tonight.
We have to.
Fresh start tomorrow.
Because I've been out and bought a sofa.
And I've got a massive rug to go in here.
That gets delivered tomorrow.
Yeah. It's exactly the width of the wall, so it comes in all.
Carpet's so much more appealing. Anyway, I could stand here a day and just look at this puzzle, but it's not going to get it done.
Right, let's keep going.
This 800-piece puzzle.
Well, welcome to 2023. I think I've spent all flipping December on this.
I've lost the will to live.
Have you?
Yeah, I'm deciding, I'm wondering.
You're praying, you mean?
Why are we doing this?
I don't know.
There's no fun in this.
Oh, what? You think we should chuck down my underlay from the exhibition and put a red rug carpet?
Put the carpet down. Look how many pieces there are missing.
Yes, I knew we were missing a lot. But actually we're missing even more than I realised.
Yeah. When I said why are we doing this, I didn't just mean this. I meant the whole thing.
Because there's days, it's fun.
Did you enjoy this puzzle, darling?
Oh dear, did I ever?
You look like death.
Like I said, we've said, you know, it didn't help when people just kept, or whoever was doing, didn't even number it correctly. But anyhow.
Nothing fits. It's not there.
No, we'll make it fit. The thing that's, you can see by seeing the OSB board, there's a lot missing, which I'll have to see if I can, from one of the floors I took up, I'm not putting down, I'm keeping a spare, but I'm not even sure, excuse me, I've got enough spares to do this. on top of that, yeah, I have to do along here as well, and all along there as well. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to go and see if we can list all the bits we're missing. You know, we got the masters here, we can work with what's here and for machining them. But yes.
You know, it was a choice between Christmas tree and floor. I think it's going to be either.
Yeah, we'll ditch
I'm going out to get the tree.
Come on. The choice is between floor or carpet, I think is what we should be saying. Anyhow, no, we'll find a way, but it's not going to be this side of Christmas, is it? Not a chance, because I've got them, yeah, and I want to plane all these. I did show in an early video, although a few people have made some comments about you're not putting that horrible floor down. Where's that one that I've just did earlier? So the plan is that I'll run them through the thicknesser. I'm going to clean up the underneath again, and then I'll just skim the tops of all of these. And we've laid them all out so we can number them in such a way, then the tape can come off and we can put it through. But as you can see, it's so much nicer and lighter. Anything else to add, my darling? Or do you want to take a seat? Golden girl? Oh dear. Did you do anything today productive?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. You're not going to tell everyone you went out for coffee with your friend and abandoned me.
Let's go to bed.
So now the scores are in. How are we missing?
60 plus pieces and a little square.
And a little square. And some of the long pieces that go as a border between the patterns I need to do as well.
There's also something else missing.
My brain.
Our marbles.
On the where?
Our marbles.
On marbles.
We've lost the plot.
We have lost the plot. Okay, so we've got about 60 pieces, so I do need to go and find a lot of timber.
You're going to be busy.
I am, aren't I? Yes. Okay. All right. Well, can't be helped in that case.
Just saying that it wasn't as tedious as me doing the gold. Or the mouldings. Or the coving.
You have the patience of a saint, so why don't you do it? I'll show you how to do it. It's not a difficult job, I'm sure. No chance. Right, tree's not happening, floor's not happening. What is happening? Dinner.
We haven't got any.
Oh, dinner's not happening either. Okay, we're off to Burger King.